Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to print a transaction history from Fifth Third Bank. The first thing I want you to do is log into your Fifth Third Bank using your user ID and password. And once you're logged in, come here on the left hand panel. I want you to click on Documents. And once you click on Documents, you can go ahead and first choose your account for which you want to view the documents. Okay, so click on this drop down. Let's choose, for example, the Fifth Third Momentum checking account. And then here we have the different statements available. Okay, this will show the transaction history. You can even sort this. So you can click on this drop down and choose, let's say, the last 30 days. Then you get that statement. And then you just go ahead and click on it. It will open a PDF. Okay, and you can just go ahead and click on this icon to print that PDF. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.